Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to install SmartTube on your Android TV. Let's get started. To download the SmartTube application on your Android TV, you need an app called Downloader. You can find this app inside the Google Play Store. Open the Google Play Store and search for Downloader, then install it. Once the Downloader app has finished installing, open Downloader, click Allow, and when the Quick Start Guide appears, just click OK. That's it. You have successfully installed the Downloader app. You can now access thousands of third-party applications that are not available in the Amazon App Store or Google Play Store. Now, the next step is to download SmartTube. In the search bar, type 247165 and tap Go. It will connect and open a URL page. Wait for a few seconds and it will start downloading the application. Once the download is complete, the installation window will appear. Just click Install and it's done. If you go back to your home screen, you will find the SmartTube application there. That's how you can download SmartTube on your Android TV. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.